Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Swinney, on a Friday afternoon here in the New York Stock Exchange broadcast booth above the New York Stock Exchange trading floor. And guess what? It's a Friday, and therefore I'm psyched. I'm ready because it's going to be a great weekend here in New York City. So let's try and get it started, right? It's not 4 o'clock. Traders will soon be walking out of the building, but we here at Modern Wall Street on Fridays, we always try our best to get the weekend started early. In other words, it's time for an early Friday happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they are lower this Friday as investors take in key economic reports while also keeping an eye on oil prices. Now, the three major markets still on track to post weekly gains. This coming despite the September read on market manufacturing flash PMI coming in at 51.4. That's below the August read of 52. At the same time, crude oil prices falling 0.41%, $46.13 a barrel. This after reports surfaced saying that Saudi Arabia could reduce production if Iran capped its own output this year. But WTI crude oil futures still on track to post strong weekly gains. And with the Eurozone PMI read showing business activity in the region falling to 52.6 in September, the US dollar rising against its major counterparts. When you have all of that combined, you have yourself a session right now where about 9 stocks are in the red for every 5 advancers right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out not just this session, but the week as well. And in corporate news, we must discuss it. Twitter's stock soaring today, more than 15% on the upside. This amid reports the firm has received expressions of interest from several technology and media companies. Therefore, it may receive a formal bid sometime soon. The stock is also on pace to record its best trading day since July 30, 2014. That's when it gained just under 20%. And also, as you can see right behind me, motor oil maker Valvoline seeing its shares rise nearly 10% in its IPO today. Valvoline, a spin-off of Ashland. And with that stated, kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and don't forget this weekend, it's a beautiful weekend for sports, especially here in New York City. It is the final weekend of the Major League Baseball regular season, and we have the Mets against the Phillies in Flushing, Queens. Looking forward to that. Also, Chelsea versus Arsenal tomorrow. Big game the world will be watching. And since Valvoline's here, NASCAR in New Hampshire this weekend. And don't forget about the NFL. The Giants Sunday, 1 o'clock. The Jets Sunday, 4 p.m. Again, a big week and a lot going on. And speaking of a lot going on, there's a lot going on with Modern Wall Street too starting next week. But I'll just leave it at that. Some cool stuff. Keep you wondering over the weekend. With that stated, I'll see you guys all next week. For Modern Wall Street, I'm James Swinney.